Bob Cowan from Your Home Sold Guaranteed Realty. I'm here a block away from San Clemente Pier. Going down to exercise on the pier, then have live music here at 6 o'clock. But I wanted to show you this lovely 2-bedroom, 2-bath, almost 3,000 square foot condo. It's right here, 1 block from the pier, and it's all for under 2.5. So if you know of anyone who might be interested in this or yourself, let me know. 949-441-9918. Aloha. Hey guys, Bob Cowan from Your Home Sold Guaranteed Realty. I'm here in this condo. It's 1 block from San Clemente Pier. 2-story, large 2-bedroom, 2-bath, almost 3,000 square feet under roof, under 2.5 mil. And this is your view every day. I would stay here for the sunset, but I gotta go take my walk on the beach and the pier right now. Text me, call me if you know anyone interested. 949-441-9918. Have a good day.